Here's a mistake I see constantly in code reviews. Developers mixing up default and named exports, making their modules confusing to import. The fundamental rule is simple. A JavaScript module can have exactly one default export, but it can have as many named exports as you want. Think of the default export as the star of your module, while named exports are the supporting cast. You can't have two stars, but you can have unlimited supporting actors. The import syntax reveals the key difference. With the default export, you can import it using any name you choose, no curly braces needed. But with named exports, you must wrap them in curly braces. This visual difference in your import statement tells you immediately what kind of export you're dealing with. You can even mix them in the same import statement if your module has both. Here's where named exports get strict. The import name must exactly match the export name. If you export a function called validateUser, you must import it as validateUser. However, you can use the as keyword to create an alias if you need a different name in your file. So when should you use each? Use default exports for the main functionality of your module. A React component, a class, or the primary function. Use named exports for utilities, helpers, constants, and types. This pattern makes your module's purpose crystal clear to anyone importing it. Remember, default exports let you choose any import name for the main functionality, while named exports require exact name matching for utilities. Now you'll write clearer, more maintainable modules. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.